Easy. Taking this laterality out. Okay. Good. Breathe.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that felt good. Wow. Holy Yeah. Wow. That was, oh, yeah. I'm ready for the other side. Shit,
No, we're just doing one side.
Oh, man, that felt good. Wow.
All right, so right in through here. So C3 feels more lateral this way. And what I'm gonna do is also add a little bit of this component where I'm just like lifting, because your neck is just really compressed.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Woo, that was loud, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, yes. Oh, my God. Sorry to swear, but oh, my
you're loud,
God.
you're good.
Woo. Wow, what a relief. Damn. Oh, yeah, much better. Oh, yeah. That felt good.
Heck yeah. I love it.
Phew.
Look all the way to the right.
That's 100%.
Yeah.
Look to the left.
100 too.
Yeah, wow.
Just have you look all the way to the ceiling. Beautiful. Down.
I mean, that release. Whew.
That was nuts.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy, man. Especially that neck one. I was all, wow, that was a shocker.
Yeah.